They are urged to be recycled, but a lot of times simply discarded. You may pick one up to help you with the groceries, stock unused or unwanted items, but never to make a living. That is where you and Gawayne James differ.
I'm Gawayne James, and I'm the cardboard master. None like me. I grew up drawing, painting, and all these things, but I didn't know I could make stuff from cardboard.
It was Bob Marley who said, "You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice." This was the attitude Gawayne developed when he started his career to become what he calls the cardboard master. The husband and father of one worked in the hotel industry as a manager for almost 2 decades when health began to wane. Gawayne started to fall ill on the job sometime in 2019. He recounts that an ambulance would come get him sometimes 3 times in a week while at work. The doctors didn't know what exactly the problem was, but after a year, they learned it was lupus. Then the COVID-19 pandemic struck the world, and Gawayne too. Understanding that his health took precedence, he left his job. But the breadwinner had concerns about filling the gap. Opportunity came by way of him just doing what any loving father does.
My son got a homework from school, and I decided I was going to make the project. However, after creating the project, I realized that this was really good. This was looking good, and posted it on my WhatsApp status. A lot of persons started to comment on it, and I said, you know what, maybe I can try this. And then there was others influencing me. Give this a try, man, maybe this is you.
And it was. He got his first official client when a pageant mom commissioned his services for her daughter's pageant costume. And ever since then it has been
amazing. Amazing. Because of that one, I got another one for a different pageant, and it's just been going on from that. Sometimes I post, persons see, like, and then I'll get other clients through that. Or, you know, some persons just word of mouth. You know, persons spreading it. Hey, this guy, you know, he's very good at this, and it goes on from there.
It has been 2 years since his new profession began, and the bulk of his job orders are from parents wanting him to do school projects for their children. However, his clients do not stop with parents. Teachers too are among his patrons. And he may be going back into the hotel industry, only not in the same capacity.
They want me, for example, to show clients how to make stuff from these used materials, and they are asking me to create stage props or any little thing that can come from the cardboard.
And if you're wondering how lucrative this recycling business is, just know that this one-time manager is making a living.
When I decided to try it, I wasn't thinking about money. I was just doing a thing. And then afterwards, then you see what comes up, what happens next. They'll say, wait, hotel manager left come on my yard when I make things out of cardboard, you know. And that talk actually was ringing around for a few. But then afterwards, when persons see what it is, you know, definitely I see persons appreciating it, and it's been great so far.
The two-man business continues to grow with the help of his wife, Rochelle.
She has her own profession, but definitely I think she decided to give me a hand, and she saw how stressful it was on me, and I really needed some help. And she decided to pitch in to help with the painting.
At first, I was just keeping company. So when he was up late at night, I would stay up with him just to keep his company, until eventually I started doing the paintings for him so that the work could be done faster.
I showed her little moves here and there, and then she just perfect.
He hopes to become an inspiration for those who may not want to go into conventional professions.
When you ask somebody what you want to become when you grow up, they'll say a lawyer, a doctor, a police, and you hear all these high names. You know, but it also shows kids that if just in case you don't become a lawyer or a doctor, you can become something great with your hands, you know, with the talent that you're given.
Once you believe in yourself and you think that you have this talent, don't let anyone stop you from going for what you want to go for. Just believe in yourself and just go for it.
Words not just for her husband and business partner, but for all creatives not realizing that they can turn their talents into profits. Gawayne credits not just his family for his fortunes, but he wants the world to know it is God that continues to sustain him.